everybody and welcome back to my channel. So these are the products that I used in my set of nails this week. I'm just applying some primer to my nail here and I have applied a foam to my nail. I'm just extending them out a little bit longer because I have done shorter nails for a long time, and as you can see how long my natural nails actually are, they are fairly long, but I really wanted longer nails this week. So I just applied acrylic powder in the shade Your Majesty, and this one that I'm applying now is in the shade Peach Melba. So I'm doing a sort of ombre effect on these colours, just going down the nail and extending that nail out with acrylic liquid and powders. So I'm going for, I think I start out really with stiletto nails, or a form of stiletto nails. By the end of it I shaped them into like coffin nails, or very slim coffin nails, because I really quite liked that style. So I just finish off this thumb, and then what I do is I go over this thumb with clear acrylic liquid and powder in order to encapsulate that nail. So with my middle finger and my ring finger, I just basically use the acrylic powder in the shade Clear Pink just to extend out my nail a little bit further, because what I want to do is apply gel polish to these nails, as I've got a new collection of Sugar and Spice from Miss You Beauty, a new gel polish collection. So I chose 2 colours out of this collection to apply to these nails, and I based the rest of my nails on those colours basically. So So now with my cuticle drill bit, I just go around the cuticle area of my nail. I only show you how I do this on the thumbnail because it can get pretty boring after doing 1 or 2 nails, and the video would be mega long as well. So then I go around the cuticle with this one, and then again with the smooth drill bit I just go over the entire nail just to smooth that nail off. It certainly is a heck of a lot easier than using a hand file. So yeah, that's how I smooth them all. I do go over them with a buffer as well, just to make sure that they are, smooth. So then Sugar and Spice 04 is like a purple with glitter. It is amazing. Oh my word, I absolutely just totally love this colour. How beautiful is that? And it just covers my nail perfectly. I love it. So I put 1 coat on, and then I use Sugar and Spice 03 for my ring finger. Absolutely gorgeous nail colour. Just gorgeous colour, sorry. So I apply 2 coats of this colour to those nails, and then I cure them in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. So then with my diamond glitter in the shade Athena 22, I do a little bit of ombre nail art on my forefinger, just going down from the cuticle area down, fading it down the nail. I also use my gel number 6 brush from Miss You Beauty. And then with my Pro Gel in the shade Wedding Dress, I just go around the edge of this nail, just as a little bit of nail art. And again with the diamond glitter in the shade Athena 22, I just go around that. I just do a little bit of nail art basically. So I then cure those in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. So then I go in with my top coat, my UV gel top coat, and I cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And to finish off my nail, or my ring fingernail here, I go in with my chrome powder, holographic chrome powder, and just apply that to the tip, fade it up, again in an ombre style, which is of course my ultimate favourite nail art design. And then I go in with more top coat and cure for 60 seconds. So that is my video this week, guys, and that is my design. I really hope you enjoyed them. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up as always, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. and I will leave the link to all the products I used in the description box below along with discount codes. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.